Did you know this seemingly harmless plant holds a deadly secret? This is Ricinus communis, also known as the castor bean or castor oil plant. The seeds contain ricin, a highly potent, water-soluble toxin. But don't worry, the oil extraction process denatures the ricin, making castor oil safe to use. Indigenous to the southeastern Mediterranean basin, East Africa, and India, it is now widespread throughout tropical regions. These beautiful beads are more dangerous than they look. This is a Bruce precatorius, also known as the rosary pea, and it is one of the deadliest plants in the world. This herbaceous flowering plant, native to Asia and Australia, goes by many names like jaquirity bean, crab's eye, and love pea. The danger lies within a potent toxin called abrin. Abrin is far more toxic than ricin. A fatal dose is approximately 1/75 that of ricin. Despite its toxicity, the seeds are highly valued in native jewelry for their bright colors, and are even used in percussion instruments. Due to its toxicity and invasiveness, it is crucial to be aware of this plant. If you encounter a Bruce precatorius, especially with children or pets, exercise extreme caution. One of the most beautiful, yet deadly, plants in the world, the answer might surprise you. Oleander, also known as Nerium oleander, is a common ornamental plant, but all parts of it are toxic. Oleander grows as a shrub or small tree, with distinctive dark green leaves and clusters of white, pink, or red flowers. It is extremely tolerant, handles drought and flooding, but does not like frost. Admire its beauty from afar, and never, ever, taste it. Share this video to warn others about the dangers of oleander. The plant contains cardiac glycosides. Symptoms of poisoning include nausea, vomiting, and irregular heart rhythm. The sap can cause skin irritation. Despite the poison, mortality in humans is low because of its bitter taste. Its name might come from a combination of "I-kill" and "man" in Greek, referring to its toxicity. If you suspect poisoning, seek immediate medical attention. Oleander, it looks innocent, but one bite can send you to the hospital. Admire its beauty from afar and never ever taste it. This plant looks harmless, right? It could kill you in minutes. Meet spotted water hemlock, North America's most toxic plant. This deadly lookalike grows up to 6 feet tall in wet areas and has white flowers. Its roots look and smell like parsnips, but eating them can cause tremors, convulsions, and even death in as little as 15 minutes. This beautiful plant hides a deadly secret. It has been used for beauty, medicine, and murder throughout history. This is Atropa belladonna, also known as deadly nightshade. All parts of the plant, especially the berries, are extremely poisonous. Renaissance women used it to dilate their pupils, risking blindness and death for beauty. Imagine a plant so deadly, it claimed the life of Abraham Lincoln's own mother. This is white snakeroot, a beautiful killer lurking in the fields of the eastern United States. It contains a deadly toxin called tremetol. When livestock eat the plant, that poison gets into their milk and meat. Consuming contaminated milk products caused milk sickness. Thousands of early settlers died, including Nancy Hanks Lincoln, leaving a future president motherless. The strychnine tree, also known as Nux vomica or poison fruit, is infamous because it is a major source of strychnine, a very poisonous substance, native to India and Southeast Asia. Historically, it has been used in arrow poison. But here is a bizarre twist. Monkeys and birds eat the toxic fruit with no ill effects. Leaves of 3, let it be, but what exactly is poison ivy? Toxicodendron radicans, or eastern poison ivy, isn't a true ivy, but actually related to cashews and pistachios. Urushiol, an oil found in all parts of the plant, causes that terrible allergic reaction in most people. Giant hogweed, also known as giant cow parsnip, is a plant that scars you for life. This toxic time bomb is native to Eurasia. Introduced as an ornamental plant, it quickly spread, and you do not want to touch it. Its sap is phototoxic, which means it causes severe blisters and scars. A single plant can produce up to 50,000 seeds, so beware. What if I told you there is a tree so dangerous that just standing under it during the rain could send you to the hospital? Meet the manchineel tree, also known as the little apple of death. The milky white sap contains phorbol and other skin irritants. Even rain dripping off the tree can cause burns. Many trees are marked with warning signs, so next time you are on a tropical beach, remember that apple could be your last. Comment below if we missed anything. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.